Every day, billions of dollars move through the financial system. Most people have no idea what's really happening. They see headlines, prices, charts, but behind every market move, there's psychology, power, fear, and positioning. The wealthy understand one thing most people never learn: money follows attention. Welcome to Finance Intel. My name is Victor Kane, and on this channel, we break down the hidden systems behind finance, markets, wealth, investing, economic shifts, and the psychology driving money in the modern world. If you want deeper financial insights and market breakdowns, then this channel is for you. Take a second to subscribe, because once you understand how money really moves, you start seeing the system differently. Most people think financial markets move because of numbers alone. They don't. Numbers matter, but human psychology moves markets faster than spreadsheets ever will. Fear, greed, panic, hype, attention. Those forces drive billions of dollars every single day. Look at what happens during market crashes. People don't suddenly become mathematical analysts overnight, they become emotional. Investors who claimed they were long-term suddenly panic sell. Why? Because human beings are wired for survival first, logic second. The market exposes psychology in real time. That's why smart money studies behavior just as much as economics, because markets are built on human decisions, and humans are emotional creatures pretending to be rational. Think about how trends form. A stock starts rising. People notice. Social media talks about it. News channels cover it. Friends start mentioning it. Suddenly, people feel pressure, not financial pressure, social pressure, the fear of being left behind. And that feeling alone can push millions of people into investments they barely understand. That's why bubbles happen, not because everyone suddenly became experts, but because attention creates momentum, and momentum creates emotional buying. The same thing happens in crypto. Most people don't buy during fear. They buy after excitement already exploded, after the headlines, after influencers, after the screenshots of profits. Emotion enters late, and late emotion usually pays the highest price. The financial world understands this deeply. That's why headlines are engineered to trigger reactions. Market crash incoming. This coin could explode. Investors are panicking. Millionaires are buying this asset. Fear and greed generate clicks, and clicks generate money. Attention is currency now. The modern financial system runs partially on perception. If enough people believe something has value, money moves toward it. That's why narratives matter. Sometimes markets move less on reality and more on belief. And maybe the deepest truth is this: most average people are reacting to markets, while powerful institutions are positioning before the reaction even begins. By the time the public notices something, smart money has often already been preparing. That doesn't mean every move is manipulation, but it does mean understanding psychology gives people an advantage. Because once you understand how fear spreads, how hype spreads, and how attention spreads, you stop reacting emotionally to every headline. You begin seeing the bigger picture. And in finance, clarity is valuable. Because emotional investors usually become exit liquidity for calmer ones. The people who stay disciplined during chaos are usually the ones who survive long term. That's why Finance Intel exists. Not to sell fantasy, not to promise overnight wealth, but to understand the deeper systems driving money, markets, and financial behavior in the modern world. The people who understand attention often influence money, and the people who influence money often shape markets. This channel is about seeing what most people never notice: the hidden systems behind finance, market psychology, wealth, influence, and economic behavior in the modern world. Because once you understand how money really moves, you begin to see the system differently. Please subscribe to the channel for more deep breakdowns on finance, market psychology, and modern economic trends. I'm Victor Kane. Thanks for watching.